Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Tell me one thing. Are you doing your homework every day? Good. Very good. Now, for today, I bring a topic for you. 2.7. Let's speak. Okay? So, what we will learn in this lesson? Let's see. Okay? So, here one teacher and some students are there, like in a classroom. Okay, so here they communicate with each other. What they are telling with each other, that we will see in this lesson. Okay, so let's make bhel. Here they plan to make bhel. Okay, now see here. Teacher is asking, children, let's make bhel tomorrow. What teacher said? She said, we will make bhel for tomorrow. Who would like to bring kurmura? Means puff rice. Okay, kurmura means puff rice. She asked to children, who would like to bring kurmura? So one boy raised hand and he replied, I would like to bring kurmura. Okay, so he's ready to bring kurmura for tomorrow. Then she asked again, and who would like to bring farsan? Next girl, she raised her hand and she replied, teacher, I would like to bring farsan. Then again teacher asked, what are the other things needed to make bhel? So one is reply, tomatoes. Then other replies, onions. Then the other girl reply, coriander leaves. And then teacher asked, now tell me who would like to bring chopped tomatoes and onions? See, one boy replied, teacher, I would like to bring chopped tomatoes. And other said, teacher, I would like to bring chopped onions. Then come to the next page. Then again teacher asked, and who would like to bring chopped coriander leaves? See, that girl reply, teacher, I would like to bring chopped coriander leaves. Wonderful. Children, I would like to bring salt, lemon juice, a big bowl, spoons and plates. Okay, so here all things and ingredients they are going to bring for tomorrow. Okay, and then they made a bhel and they enjoy it. Yay, what fun, yummy. Okay, so take this all ingredients at your home and tell your mama to prepare a bhel for you, and you help your mama to cut the tomatoes, onions, coriander leaves. Okay, and try to mix in a bowl and enjoy it and tell me how is it. Okay, and how much you enjoy. Okay, then same topic in your workbook 2.7, let's speak. Okay, now see, we have to solve the activity in workbook. Read the following words and separate the cooking words from the other words. See, here given mixed words. Okay, you have to separate cooking words and the other words. Okay, now tell me, read is the cooking word? No, it's the other word. So you write read in other word like this. R-E-A-D, read. Then write, comma, write is also other word, W-R-I-T-E, write. Then cut is related with the cooking word. Okay, we are cutting vegetables, right? Before cooking them, we are cutting it. C-U-T, cut. It's a related with the cooking words. Then slice. Okay, this word also related with the cooking word. Slice, comma. Shout. It's a related with cooking word? No, it's related with other word. S-H-O-U-T, shout, comma. Okay, then stir hilana. Okay, stir. When we are making lemon juice, when we adding juice, sugar and salt in the water, we are stirring the spoon, right, to mix the ingredient well. Stir. Okay, then boil. Boil is also related with a cooking. BOIL, boil. Then peel. While making batata vada, right, after boiling the potatoes we are peeling it, right, मतलब छीलना. Okay, grind. GRIND, grind. It's also related with the cooking. Slip, it's the other word. SLEEP, slip. Then jump, this is also other word. कूदना, jump. Then roast, भूनना. Okay, roast, चपाती को हम करते हैं ना, roast. ROAST, roast. Then bake, this is also related. केक को क्या करते हैं हम, बेक करते हैं, राइट, अवन में. Then mix also related with the cooking word. Hop, it's not related with a cooking, so it's a other word. HOP, hop. Heat is also related with cooking word. HEAT, heat. Then roll is also related with cooking. Order is not related with cooking. ORDER, order. Pay is also not related with cooking. And swing, it's also other word. Understand? See, like this you make separate them. Okay, cooking word and other word. Now read the following words and separate the study word from the other words. See, here also given same like that, means not same word. Here also I am giving mixed word. Okay, you have to separate words that are related with your study, like read. Wait, let me underline it so it will help you to write. Read, write. Now cook is it related with our study? No. Splash is also not related with our study. Answer, yes. Listen, observe, yes. Okay, listen means सुनना. जब हम अच्छे से सुनेंगे तभी हम आंसर दे पाएंगे. Observe, whatever means teacher is showing, we have to observe that. क्या बताया जा रहा है ये पहले देखना पड़ता है अच्छे से, right? Slip, note, yes, note down. Throw, fall. Collect, yes. If we suppose we have to do some addition, okay, so we have to collect some things to add and solve the sum, right? So collect is also related with the study. Count, yes. Add, yes. Subtract, yes. Eat, no. Drink, it's not related with study. Wash, no. Shout, no. Roast, no. Break, no. Run, no. Fly, no. So see, these wherever I underline, read, write, answer, listen, observe, note, collect, count, add and subtract. What you have to do is you have to turn the page, and on the next page, see here given study words and other words. So that other words you should write down here, and study word which I underline you should write down in this box. Understand? Okay. Okay. Now next question is, read the conversation given in the textbook and then fill in the boxes given below with the things that are needed to make bhel. Okay, see here I showed kurmura plus farsan plus tomatoes plus onions plus coriander leaves plus salt and plus lemon juice. and also a big bowl and spoons and plates. These things we needed to make a bhel. Understand? Now last question is, put a tick against the correct answer. See, yay, what fun! We say yay, what fun when we are happy. Is it? Alas, अरे रे कितना बुरा हुआ. Right? We say alas when we are sad. Ouch! Ah, चुभ गया कुछ तो, right? See, when we say this, ouch. When we got hurt, oh, and we got pain, right? Wow. When we say wow, when we are surprised, oh my God, wow. Like this, okay? Put correct in the correct box, right? So do it and send me the picture. Okay, children? Have a nice day to all.